Okay, well, this place at 5 hours, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So we're playing Happy World today. What are we playing today? We're going to be playing, let's say, okay, let me get to the ratings. Okay, what are we playing? Ooh, let's play Sword Throw. I haven't played this in forever. Okay, you call me gay. I'm going to kick your ass, okay? Your ass. And you're going to feel the wrath of my swords. So, yeah. No, not enough talk. Time to die. God damn it. Ah, come on, fuck. God, wimpy arms. Yeah! Quadruple sword! Look up! That was a fail. Gotta let go of that spacebar. Quadruple sword! What the? That went right past him. Oh, wait, never mind. Die, you bitch. Why yeah? Ooh, double kill. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. What the? Oh, accidentally did something. That's not good. That's not good. Okay, that's not good. It's not good, folks. That's not good. Okay. I think we good. No. A little bit up. Come on. It's okay. Okay, there we go. That's better. Okay, let's get back to action. Okay, let's go. Let me fix it. Oh, yep, the sides are still a little bit messy. Let me fix the... Okay, there we go. Let's go! Hey, yeah! Come on! Ooh, kick that. Go. Good. Oh, the dude's making out with the woman. I should make it up, and the black guy will come and get the butt rape. Okay, I'm trying to get this ninja guy. God mode active. That was bad. Oh, that was close. Okay, let's do this. God mode activate. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Time to get ninja. Huh. Come on, you better get that girl. Yes, I got her, guys. Fallen. Come on. What the f? Oh, you kidding me? What the f? Okay, get ready. Feel my wrath. Come on, Sword. You better get her. Sword. God damn it, Sword. You betrayed me. Why? Alright. I think I'm good. Let's go to another map. Let's see. What do we got? Oh, harpoon. Easy mode. Let's do this. It's so easy. Let me see it about that. Oh my nose. Okay. What the crap? What harpoon is hurting? What the crap? Okay, let's go. This is not cool. Okay, let's hammer time. Okay, it's my hammer. Oh, what the fuck? It's my hammer. My hammer. My hammer will kick your ass, and I'll make it go. Time to assassinate. Let's go. Robot taking over the world. Robots. Wait, am I on a rock? That would explain why I'm flying. See, I hate my boss. That's why I kill him. Daddy, shut up, son. You're a disgrace to my family. I missed you. I'm gonna come and kill you later. I hate you. You're not a good friend to me. I don't like you. He looks at me. Let's see. Who next? I'm gonna just. Oh, Daddy, help! Shut up. You and your grandfather are beach. Hey, buddy, wanna go biking? No, I don't want to go fucking biking. Let's go bowling. Elf, you didn't make me what I wanted for Christmas, so die. Second of all, you all suck balls. Oh, I think this lady's on her period. Well, let me help you. Daddy! Grandpa! Hey, it's Indiana Jones' old version. Fuck that! Another elf. Fuck you! Where's Santa? I want to kill him. Oh, look at that obese woman. Now there! I don't know who you are, but die! I don't know who you are. Why is there a leg in my contraption? Get the fuck out. I'm just gonna kill this elf again. Where's Santa? I want to kill Santa. Daddy, don't kill me! Shut up, son. You're a disgrace to my family. Get these body parts out of my contraption. He's gonna jam. It's gonna jam. It's gonna jam. Santa, you die now! Exceeded shape limit, so that's it. That's all, and hope you rated because, well, that's what people want you to do these days. ... Oh, get off. Get these body parts out of my fucking contraption before I have a spaz attack. Robot, take, god damn it. Okay, there we go. Okay, what to know? Ooh. PewDiePie quiz. I'm gonna see if I'm a bro because I love my PewDiePie. PewDiePie, hold control with bowling. PewDiePie is from, fuck yeah, it's Sweden, bitch. Oh no, not Italian, it's Sweden. Good job. Oh, my legs, I don't need my legs. The real name of PewDiePie is PewDiePie. Can I get it right? Yeah. PewDiePie's girlfriend name is Maria. Oh shit! Wait. Ah! I was Maria. Oh, Marzira? Mother. Let's go again. Sweden. I don't need legs because I'm a boss. Legs, I thought this is. PewDiePie's girlfriend name is Maria. Ah, my legs. I don't need them. My bro. I'm a bro. I'm a boss, motherfucker. Okay. What to do? Ooh. Ball throw. Let's do this. Okay. Where are my balls? Oh, there's the balls. It's so big. I forget what I just said. Just give me the balls. Big. Woohoo! Woohoo! Okay, let's go. Master. Give me some. Okay. Skill. Please get in the skill. Get in the skill. Yeah! Woo! Tigger, Tigger, Tigger. Help. Jesus. Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah, Jesus. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Bye-bye.